In today's video, we will show you how to create stunning animation in PowerPoint using shapes, icons, pictures and text. Watch all the tips and tricks till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Icons, search Africa here. Select and insert it. Click on right button, select convert to shape. Go to shape format, go to merge shape, select union and increase size like this. Select both. Go to merge shape, select combine. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go back to insert, click on picture and insert picture from this device. Select and insert it. Go to crop, select 16:9. Click on right button and send to back. Click on right button, zoom out the slide, select text box, shift to left side, select this and increase size like this. Now go to transition, select morph, increase duration size and go to first slide and click on full screen. So look how beautiful your presentation looks. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.